Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Chevrolet Tahoe. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like leather upholstery, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, a power rear cargo door, adjustable pedals, and one-touch window functionality. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll see better when backing up thanks to Rear Park Assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.